Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to recalibrate laptop battery in Windows. I have used a Lenovo laptop because I faced this problem wherein my laptop used to show 50%, but it used to suddenly shut down, and when I plugged in my adapter again, it started charging from 0%. And this was happening on not an old Lenovo laptop, and mine was significantly new. So I faced this problem and it was locked down, so I couldn't visit the service center. So I called up the Lenovo customer services, and they told me these easy steps, which are time consuming though, but they told me these and it has worked out for me. So here we go. So first of all, you need to charge your laptop between 50% to 60%. It's not mandatory, but I whenever I recalibrate my battery, um, I keep the range between 50 to 60%. It helps. Otherwise, keep it between 30 to 40%. That would also work. So yeah, you have like 50 to 60% charged laptop. Now you start your laptop, okay, and you need to plug in the adapter as well. Okay, plug in the adapter, turn the switch on, and come to the Windows home screen. Next, you press Windows plus X keys on the keyboard together, and this box will appear, wherein you will click on Device Manager. When you click on Device Manager, this window will open where you will be seeing all those devices that are installed in your computer. In it, you click on batteries, and now various components of the batteries will show. Okay, for I think for different laptops it's different. I have no idea actually on that, but mine showed these two components. So you need to right click, and you need to uninstall these devices. Okay, no matter how many components are there, you have to uninstall those. And at that moment, what would happen is that your battery icon will go to zero. Okay, and there might be an uninstall symbol or something, but there would be also the plug-in icon. So it's don't worry about it. As soon as you restart your computer, it always comes back, like it always comes back installed. But we don't need to do that just yet. So okay, once you have uninstalled all those components, now you need to restart your computer. But okay, but you need to keep in mind, when you restart your computer, you do not enter Windows, you enter the BIOS mode. So what you do for entering the BIOS mode is, as soon as you hit the restart button, you start to press F2. In some laptops, the F2 might work directly. In Lenovo laptops, you have a function key. So along with the function key, you need to press the F2 button. Okay, like you need to do it for 3 to 4 times, because you need to make sure that as soon as you restart your computer, you do not enter the Windows mode. Okay, if you enter the Windows mode, okay, the batteries and everything would be installed back, and you have to go through the previous steps again. So make sure when you restart, okay, you continuously press. Okay, don't be harsh on the keys, but okay, you need to press the F2 key and enter the BIOS mode before entering the Windows mode. So, like, Windows mode is a no-no here. So as soon as you enter the BIOS mode, now your work is done. Okay, now forget everything. Like, forget that you're recalibrating. Now your laptop would be plugged in this situation that we're leaving it in, and you need to plug it for minimum 5 hours. And after 5 hours, you come, you press F10, okay, for save and exit, and now you power up your laptop again. You'll see that the battery is installed and charged up to 99% or 100%. Okay, the work is done. Now you need to let your laptop discharge discharge up to 0%. Okay, and see, like, that situation where it comes to 30% or 40%, or wherever you're facing the problem, it does not shuts down. Because if that happens, you need to do this process again. When I did it, my computer fixed itself, my battery was fixed in the first go, and that's why I recommend these steps to you. So yeah, recalibrating is good for the battery health as well. So you should do it in like 3 or 4 months. You should keep on doing that, because I have been doing it since I faced the problem. And my battery life, like my laptop, almost works for good hours, like 7 to 8 hours. It almost works on a full charge. So I'm very happy with it. For people who use laptops of other companies, I would recommend कि if you are thinking that these steps are not working for you, you should call up your customer care services and ask what to do. But yeah, this solution is very very helpful for me, and I hope everybody who owns a Lenovo laptop find this this recalibration tutorial helpful. Thank you very much, guys, and do like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you might want to